What's up? Danny Highsoccer with Colony, helping people do their business better. So we first brought the Meeting Owl back in 2017. We'll include a link to that video in the description box below. Today we have the Meeting Owl Pro, and they have a whole suite of products now to help you be more productive in your meeting spaces. So we have the actual Meeting Owl Pro, we have the Meeting HQ, and we also have the Whiteboard Owl. But what we're gonna demonstrate today is the Meeting Owl in a huddle space, and then the Meeting Owl in this larger meeting space. So you guys can see how it performs when you pair two Meeting Owls together, which is now a possibility. Stay tuned. All right, so here we are. Here we are in a huddle room space that comfortably seats 4 people. So this is an ideal location or environment for a single Meeting Owl. And now, of course, they have the Meeting HQ, so you can set it up and you can actually join the meetings right from the Meeting HQ. And you can see we have a whiteboard. We could set that up as well, the Whiteboard Owl, to capture the whiteboards in this space. But anyway, again, perfect environment for this type of seating space. All right, so now let's take this over to the large meeting space so you guys can see what happens when you pair 2 owls together. Stay tuned. So now we are in a large meeting space. So this table is actually 16 feet long, and you see we have both owls paired. And then here on our screen, you'll see the 2 little owls showing you that they're, I don't even know what to look at. showing you that they're paired together, and so they work in conjunction with each other. So like Chris, you can talk, and
Chris, call 1.
Hey, Heather, hello direct.
All right, and then see now Michelle's also.
Michelle, call 1.
And so the funny thing with these cameras is, so if Michelle turns and faces that camera and starts talking, it's gonna.
How you doing today, Michelle?
Hi, Heather.
Let's see if it picks
we
her
having
up.
fun today?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it picking you up? It's supposed to pick
Did it
you
pick
up.
us up?
There it goes. Yeah, see? So now that camera's picking you up. So that's kind of a cool thing, but it also allows you to kind of move around the room. So I'm going to move around the room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so now it's trying to find me and center me. And you see it's kind of got me. How does it have me? Halfway through there?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so but now it's centered on me. There we go. See, so now it's centered on me. So it does take a little bit. It's not instant. So then I can move about the whole table to the complete other side. And so now I'm directly in front of the second Meeting Owl. And is it, tell me when it locks in on you. Is it locked in?
There you
1,
go.
2, 3. All right,
Yeah.
so now it's locked in on me. And you guys are hearing the audio, or might pick up from these. And let's see, Heather, you can say something.
Hey. Throw me on the spot there.
Chris.
Call me for a good deal.
Yeah, there you go. And then Michelle. See, I don't know what it's doing. I have no idea. So this one found me. Or no, that guy found me.
Mm-hmm.
Now this guy found me. So I'm fascinated by the fact that they're connected wirelessly. So there's nothing connecting these two together except, I don't even know if it's Bluetooth.
And it allows you to social distance at the same time. So
There you go.
Yeah.
So for me, it's a pretty good solution. Thank you guys for doing this quick demo. I'm gonna do a quick outro here in a bit. Stay tuned. All right, so there you have a quick demo of the Meeting Owl Pro in a small huddle space, and then 2 Meeting Owl Pros paired together wirelessly in a large conference room. I think these are an excellent solution for people that want that 360-degree field of view, that want to be focused on the conversation that's happening within the group. If you want to learn more about this, we're going to put links to all the stuff in the description box below. And as always, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.